Hello, it's Chole Eric here, your trusted expert in PayPal services. In today's video, I have got you something important to share with you. I'll be guiding you through the process of changing your PayPal password to one of your own choice. It is a simple but crucial step in ensuring your online security. But before we dive into it, I have a small request for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you will stay updated with the latest PayPal tips and tricks. Also give this video a thumbs up if you like what you see and share it with others who might be facing the same challenges changing their password. Now, without further notice, let's get started on securing your PayPal account with a password you can trust. Well, first of all, you can use the PayPal application or you can use the PayPal website. Open the PayPal website, as you can see, paypal.com/sign-in. Then enter email or mobile number. Well, let's use the email. I've pasted in my email. Then let me type in my password. Then click on login. Well, after logging in, this is a virtual PayPal account. This account supports receiving payments, sending, and also withdraw. If you are there getting challenges on how you can sign up for a fully verified PayPal account that supports receiving payments in Uganda, withdrawing, well, we sign up for those accounts and they are called virtual PayPal accounts. You can reach out to our support center on WhatsApp, which is 0707 688 will be able to help you. This is the virtual PayPal account we are in. Assuming I want to reset my password from the default password to another password. Well, just click on the right corner here where you see your name. Then you can see message center, profile settings, account settings, and logout. Well, just click on profile settings. When you click on profile settings, they will take you to a specific page where you will see your profile, login and security, personal information, data and privacy. Well, just it takes you to the login and security tab where you will see login and security. They will show your email, phone number that is used or connected on. Then the password will the password isn't displayed. This is where you click change password. When you click there, they will tell you change your password, confirm your current password. I put in my recent password. Then I type in the new password. We can type in an example like, let me put Eric at 123. That is a good example. Please enter at least 8 characters. Use upper and lower letters. Enter at least one number and one symbol, which is all in here. That is why these are all ticked. Well, I can just copy and paste it here. Then I just click on change password. This has been a tutorial showing you how you can change your password from a current password to a new password that you would prefer. Well, thank you much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and for more other videos like this, don't forget to like this video. Thank you much for watching. Chole Eric here. Well.